Hey y'all, making another little video and just wanted to show another makeup routine. This one's for date night, starting with the awesome 3-in-1 eye renewal. Absolutely love the color science here. So amazing. I could rave about them all day. Next is their All Calm Redness corrector. Super awesome stuff. I've learned that if you put a lot of this on, it can look really chalky. So kind of put a little bit on at a time and blend it into your face. This video doesn't really show the most amazing quality of color. It makes my lips look super like weird color of pinkish, reddish, I don't know. Anyways, put it on kind of thin, judge it off that, and then keep going. After that, I put on their foundation, the Tint du Soleil. Absolutely love it. Just kind of adds a little bit more texture to kind of make it look a more natural color. But the redness one makes it so it kind of calms my whole face down, so my face isn't like got red spots everywhere. It just kind of evens it up. Next is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I like to use this on my eyelids because it makes the color stand out of whatever eyeshadow I choose to use that day. Today I'm not going to use the Naked one for my eyelids. I'm actually going to use a BH Cosmetics palette. It's one of their like space themed ones, and it's pretty fun to use. It's this one right here called Solar Flare. I also use one called Supernova because it's got this brighter color that I like to use on my lid because I really like for my lid to pop since I've got such hooded eyelids. To finish it off with putting the Urban Decay All Nighter on my face. I'm not too liberal about it. I just put a few squirts on and it works really well. Then, like I said, the video is making my lips look super weird. My lips are usually a dull kind of pinkish color, really dull, but this video made it look like they weren't. And today I felt like wearing lip scents, so the first shade was Coralina. Next, you're going to see that I use Bombshell to kind of even out that tone. And then last, I used 2 layers of gold champagne. And usually for lip scents you just use 3, but I really wanted to tone the color down just a little bit. Followed by some glitter gloss, and then I use the Colorescience Champagne Kiss highlighter because I'm obsessed with that stuff and I love adding it just to kind of add a little bit more shimmer to my face, but still make it look natural. So yeah, that's my basic date night look. Thanks for watching.